Andrew! Any luck?
How many of you guys caught?
We've all caught one. Like, that's how it's going. Everyone's just caught
How
one.
long have you been here?
Probably like 30 minutes.
Sorry for taking forever to get a new video out for you guys, but we've tried recording about 4 different times and we haven't caught anything. So here's hoping it goes better today. They got here about 30 minutes before me and they say they all caught one. Sorry if there's any wind audio issues.
God, my hands are so cold.
Tommy.
No!
Did you record that whole thing?
Yeah.
My freaking line knotted up, so I had to cut it, so I hand reeled it in the rest of the way and I caught it.
Is that crappie?
Yeah.
That's so crazy.
Was it legit?
What were you, like when you were reeling it in? Was it just like?
Yeah, bro. Look at that line. It's not in. It's not on the hook.
It's all right there.
Oh yeah, boys.
Maybe this is the way to go, boys.
See that?
What the heck? Oh my gosh.
Now you can't see.
Oh! Right in the cronky. Oh, right in the crotch. The bloody crotch. I'm gonna come up here on a gander. See what's up here. It better be worth it. You get one? For sure. Well, let's see if they're chilling up here. Ooh. Fish on. Fish on. Let's go! Fish on!
Watch him bring it all the way over here just to show us. Yeah, he's got one. Huh? Oh, the little.
Woo! That's what we're talking about, boys. Feisty little guy. I'm waiting for him to chill out. You freaking stupid little freaking stupid. Ah, spikies! There she is, boys. Let's go! Let's get a small little boy. A little bit of blood. Woo!
We're out here bulling.
Ow!
Me with my little jig and my swim bait.
Ow!
Pedigo out here getting hurt himself. I don't know if you can see it through the water. Maybe with the other GoPro, but look at that baby. Who would not want to eat that?
I really hope I didn't look down.
Sam, wallet.
Oh, fish on!
Big boys only. Guys,
That's a log.
guys, that's how you do it. That's how we do it.
How much do you think she weighs?
Strictly business. That's probably like 3.5. 3.5. Get a picture, Pedigo. Take a picture of her real quick.
We're gonna get an in-water release of this big boy.
Oh, he's dead or something. Nope. That's probably so peaceful.
Bro, this looks clear.
Tommy's using my jig, you dirty dog. Give me give me it back.
Hold on, mid cows.
You dirty dog. We got a big fish
Lift
here.
on 3.
Oh no!
Oh.
No! 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 That was my favorite jig. Can Tom make the jump? Tom, you got it, bro. Easy, easy, easy money. You got to get a running head start though. Wait. Okay. Wait. Let me cast and see if I can get a fish while you jump it. All right. Wait. Okay. Ready? Go. All right. Now I just gotta catch a fish. We're struggling. I'm gonna go down here and fish this bank. Come on, fishies. Come on, fishies. Come on. Nope, they're not taking my bait. We're gonna see if we can do this. Nope, I'm not. Nope, sorry. Part about the whole trip right here. Can you make it across? Okay.
Yep.
Who did this? We're out here grinding, out here adventuring, trying to get better. Biggs Buffalo Wings, please sponsor us. We switch your seas on the daily. Run, 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 turn left. Oh. I feel like Rocky going up those stairs. Imagine sledding down this. Good view.
Yeah, Trey.
You see that car?
Where? Where at?
Alright.
That truck?
Yeah.
It's broke down, I think.
Oh, that thing? No, I'm trying to get it.
climb
No.
Is it recording still?
Yeah.
Ah! Go! Let it go, there's a truck coming! Go!